The sketch graph shown here shows two lines that are parallel to each other. Lines that are parallel to each other will never intersect. Remember, parallel lines have the same gradient. For example, let's find out whether these pairs of lines are parallel or not. Y equals 5x minus 3 and 5x minus y plus 4 equals 0. So, y equals 5x minus 3. Here, m equals 5, so the gradient of this line is 5. Now, 5x minus y plus 4 equals 0. First, let's rewrite this equation in the form y equals mx plus c to find the value of m. So, y equals 5x plus 4. Here, the gradient is also 5. So, the lines y equals 5x minus 3 and 5x minus y plus 4 equals 0 are parallel to each other. 4x minus 5y plus 1 equals 0 and 8x minus 10y minus 2 equals 0. First, let's rearrange these two equations in the form y equals mx plus c in order to find the gradient. So, 4x minus 5y plus 1 equals 0. Rearranging this in the form y equals mx plus c gives us 5y equals 4x plus 1. Y equals 4 over 5x plus 1 over 5. The gradient is 4 over 5. 8x minus 10y minus 2 equals 0. Rearranging this in the form y equals mx plus c gives us 10y equals 8x minus 2. Y equals 8 over 10x minus 2 over 10. Then y equals 4 over 5x minus 1 over 5. The gradient of this line is 4 over 5 and hence the lines 4x minus 5y plus 1 equals 0 and 8x minus 10y minus 2 equals 0 are parallel to each other. 7x plus 14y minus 1 equals 0 and y equals 1 over 2x plus 9. So first let's take the equation y equals 1 over 2x plus 9. Here the gradient is 1 over 2, so m equals 1 over 2. Now 7x plus 14y minus 1 equals 0. Rearranging this in the form y equals mx plus c gives us 14y equals minus 7x plus 1. Y equals minus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 14. The gradient here is minus 1 over 2. So the lines y equals 1 over 2x plus 9 and 7x plus 14y minus 1 equals 0 are not parallel to each other. Now let's take a look at a few more examples. A line is parallel to the line 2x minus 3y minus 1 equals 0 and it passes through the point 0, 0. Write down the equation of the line. So, if the line passing through the point 0, 0 is parallel to the line 2x minus 3y minus 1 equals 0, then it has the same gradient as 2x minus 3y minus 1 equals 0. So first, let's rearrange this equation in the form y equals mx plus c in order to find the gradient. So, 3y equals 2x minus 1, dividing both sides by 3 gives us y equals 2 over 3x minus 1 over 3. So, the gradient is 2 over 3. Now, we know the other line passes through the point 0, 0, so m equals y minus 0 over x minus 0. M equals 2 over 3, then 2 over 3 equals y minus 0 over x minus 0. So, y equals 2 over 3x. So, now this is our equation. Find an equation of the line that passes through the point minus 2, 7 and is parallel to the line y equals 4x plus 1. Give your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So we know that parallel lines have the same gradient and the gradient of the line with equation y equals 4x plus 1 is 4. So the line parallel to this line passing through the point minus 2, 7 also have the gradient 4. Now, to find the equation of the line m equals y minus 7 over x minus minus 2, m equals y minus 7 over x plus 2. M equals 4, so 4 equals y minus 7 over x plus 2, 4x plus 8 equals y minus 7. Y equals 4x plus 15. Rearranging this equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 gives us 4x minus y plus 15 equals 0. So, the line with the equation 4x minus y plus 15 equals 0 is parallel to the line with equation y equals 4x plus 1.